Jharta Vriksh, The Trees MCQ Revision. 1. Who is the poet of the poem, The Trees? A. Robin Klein. B. Adrienne Rich. C. Robert Frost. D. Leslie Norris. Check mark answer. B. Adrienne Rich. Though, where are the trees at the beginning of the poem? A. In the forest. B. In the garden. C. Inside the house. D. On the roadside. Check mark answer. C. Inside the house. 3. Why are the trees moving out into the forest? A. They are dying. B. They want freedom. C. The poet cut them. D. The wind pushed them. Check mark answer. B. They want freedom. 4. What does the forest symbolize in the poem? A. Danger. B. Darkness. C. Freedom and natural habitat. D. Loneliness. Check mark answer. C. Freedom and natural habitat. 5. The phrase, the forest that was empty all these days, suggests A. The forest had no animals. B. The forest lacked natural trees. C. The forest was silent. D. The forest was dark. Check mark answer. B. The forest lacked natural trees. Chair. What are the roots doing in the poem? A. Sleeping. B. Working to separate from the house floor. C. Growing deeper. D. Drying up. Check mark answer. B. Working to separate from the house floor. 7. What is the central theme of the poem? A. Beauty of nature. B. Power of wind. C. Conflict between nature and human control. D. Life of birds. Check mark answer. C. Conflict between nature and human control. 8. The poem gives the message that A. Humans should cut trees. B. Nature cannot be controlled forever. C. Houses are better than forests. D. Trees are weak. Check mark answer. B. Nature cannot be controlled forever. No. The poet compares branches to A. Birds. B. Fish. C. Newly discharged patients. D. Snakes. Check mark answer. C. Newly discharged patients. Thus, the tone of the poem is A. Cheerful. B. Romantic. Thank you. Subscribe the channel.